Welcome to Art Attack. Hi kids, today we are going to bind record
Sea creature necklace.
sea creature necklace.
Do you like doing this?
Yeah.
Look at all the sea creatures here. What is this?
That is a turtle.
And these are?
These are all the beads.
These are fishes.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Look at these kind of beads.
Nice color. So, what are you doing today?
Code key.
Yeah. You know what is Morse code?
What? Signal golden thing.
Can you read out your name in your Morse code key?
D.
What is D? Dash dot dot. So there is a dash and dot dot.
Dash dot dot. D.
D E V A N S H. And you put some nice sea creatures in the edge. Nice.
And I
One.
put this one also.
Nice. Do you have fun doing this?
Hey kids, did you know humans' first communication system?
Morse Code Telegraph.
Yeah, and this is how it looked. In 1835, Samuel Morse invented Morse code that uses pulses of electric current to move a marker to write codes on strip of a paper. Overland telegraph lines were built, and before this, letters and messages could take weeks or months to arrive. Letters were sent by ship or by horses, and there were no phones yet.
Contact my brother Devansh.
So this is what Devansh did in Michaels using this Morse code key map. And Simran wants to also do hers. So we have arranged it out for her. Do you know why Morse code is used?
Yeah. Code is
Language used of dots and dash
first dosh and
to exchange secret messages.
How is Morse code used? In World War I, it was used to keep plants away from enemy soldiers. It was a primary communication system for the railroads. Morse code is used nowadays for SOS signals. Morse code is used also for handicapped people to type out messages.
Yeah, Morse code was used in earlier days for exchanging secret messages like SOS.
Devansh, how he did. It's so beautiful that the chin is.
Yeah, and this is the Morse code for every alphabet that he's called out. And Simran has hers written out. So let's start doing the necklace. You like weaving a necklace?
Yeah. I did it by myself, so I'm learning.
Very good.
I'm doing the letter S.
Which is 3 dots. So we are using three
dots.
beads. 1, 2, 3. And for separators, we have used these bigger beads. So one of these will be the separator of alphabets. Now we'll do I. I is again 1 dot. No, 2 dots. I is 2 dots. So put 2 dots. 1, 2. And then a separator. And then M. M is 2 dash. For dash, we have used the straws into small halves to make a dash. M is 2 dash, and then we have a separator. Oh, it's looking nice, Simran. And now we have a separator. Bead.
I said this school like bead.
Oh, looks like lemon to me.
I was like lemon.
Yeah, and then let's do A. A is dot and a dash. Dot and
A dash.
You know, in olden days, people used to exchange messages like SOS, save our soul. And also they used to say, I love you from far away to their spouse. They used to be in army and they had to send messages. And the military uses Morse code even today to exchange some secret messages. They encode and they share. And now we are on the last alphabet, Simran. That is N. It's a dash and a dot. So Devansh here in the art class got these cute beads which looks like a dash, these green ones. And we are using separators as these lemon circles, the yellow circles. Because we didn't have these kind of beads, we are using straws cut out, which looks actually very cool, like a dash. Did you have fun doing this art, Simran?
Yeah.
You're almost at the end of your name. Very good. And that's the start and end is defined by this little cute fish that Simran had. Okay, so that's your Morse code, Simran. Now let's put it on the paper and see how it looks.
Our Morse code necklace.
Of our names.
Of our names.
Simran has used straws for dash and beads for dots. And start and end begins with fishes. And Devansh has used lovely beads from Creatology. And he's used teddies for start and end. Good job. So do you know what is Morse code now?
It's telephone language.
Yeah, which is made of dash and dots.
Dash and dots.
And it's used to exchange secret messages. Did you have fun doing this craft?
For watching.
This is our
Morse code. For watching. Bye-bye. Please leave a comment to our videos. Thanks for watching Art Attack. Please subscribe.